other day I had a patient who came to see me, and I'm going to read this from my phone because the list is so large. She was on all these supplements, all right? She was on a gut tonic powder, herbal mixture, collagen for skin in face, turmeric, fish oils, dopamine supplements, liver supplements. Okay. And so then, some of those are obviously important, like the fish oils and things. But so I said to her, okay, that's a lot of supplements, and you probably are spending a lot of money on these supplements as well. So let's talk about lifestyle. And like, what she was eating, what she was doing with her the rest of it, was she doing all the things that she should be? And it was like there was a little blank, like a blankness. And this reminded me of a phrase that I'd heard, majoring in the minors, where people concentrate on these small benefits that will give 1% benefit and completely disregarding
the big stuff. And I think, look, I'm a person that likes the natural things.
Yes.
And I'll be the person that will go and look for herbal things. And
but even before that, Roni.
Yeah, I know. But what I'm saying is that I do believe that it's a good idea to go those places, but they are on the side.
Yes.
They're actually, and I think what happened to many people is that they swap what is important than the things that are on the side.
Yes.
It can give you those things.
So what are the big rocks?
Yes. So if you know the story of the big rocks, is you understand that if I gave you rocks in different sizes and stones and pebbles and sand, and I asked you to put them in a jar, then the only way to put them in the jar, to include all of them in the jar, is to put the big rocks first. And by the way, it's a really, really good experiment. I highly recommend you to try it. It's really, really wonderful. I've been doing it in my workshops. It's been really successful. I was like, it's not the same as you see it with your own eyes. Only if you take the big things first. And we always say that it's the Pareto rule says that you do 20% of the effort to achieve 80%.
Exactly. So what are those then from this point of view?
So from this point of view, that's me.
Sleep.
Don't waste energy on supplements that's why they call supplements. If you haven't done the big rocks, which are sleep, whole food, sunlight, movement,
connection,
relationship.
Yes.
Connections, relationship, connections, community.
So I think, Ronit, what happens is these are such obvious things that people kind of poo-poo them.
Oh, it's almost like if the doctor does not prescribe you sunshine, if the doctor does not prescribe you go to sleep 1 hour earlier, if the doctor, it's like you're not doing it.
Yeah, so and that's how I feel. So if without putting the basics into place, these things really are not going to give you the benefit that you think they're going to give you.
Exactly.
Right?
It's basically, just imagine that those supplements, and I am for natural things. Yes. I am, take curcumin. I am that person. But it's the sand in this model. It's the sand. It's not the big rocks. It's not even the smaller rock. It's not even the pebbles. It's sand. Because if your body is not rested enough, if the body cannot clean itself enough, if the body doesn't get energy enough, doesn't get vitamin D, it doesn't have the communication with people that is so important for our brain and for our health and well-being, it's like, seriously?
Yeah. And I think, now particularly with this longevity movement that's going on, there's a lot of interest in these minutiae.
Yes. You take a tablet and you're going to live a bit longer. No, go to sleep 1 hour earlier. I promise you will live longer. Seriously. Go to the sun. You'll live longer. Eat food, real food, not fake
protein,
food.
Make sure. So listen, we can go on and on, but I think the message is that don't major in the minors. Get the big rocks into your jar first. So I'm Dr. Nellum. Did we say that?
No. I'm Ronita, I'm a happiness coach, and we are from Whole Food Revolution. And if you do like our messages, please like, subscribe, and share with as many people as you can.
Bye.